Hey there, YouTube. Darrell Hammond here. DarrellHammond.com is the place I call home. Page, that is. Check it out when you get a chance. But for right now, stick around. We're doing a review of a new product called Grand Champion. This has been put out by Philip Johansson and Dan Kahn. So, I know you guys want to see the bonuses, so we're switching it up. If you haven't seen some of my other videos, I used to go through, the product and everything, and then finally around the end of the video you'd get to see what the bonuses are. But I know you guys are like me. You're like most humans. You're hunter-gatherers, and so you're out there hunting for bonuses. And so I'm not going to let you down. We're going to jump into the bonuses here in just a second. So stick around. So here we are on my bonus page. Bonuses, that's what it's all about, bonuses. This is Grand Champion. Like I said, this is a new product by Philip Johansson and Dan Kahn, and they kind of co-created this thing. And so you're going to see what it's all about here in a second, but for now we're just going to kind of go over the bonus page. Yeah, yay, bonuses! And then we'll go over the pricing funnel, and we'll jump inside the product. I'm not exactly sure which of those is going to come first, but I know we're going to go over the bonus page and get to the bonuses that you're going to get from this bonus page. And when you pick up Grand Champion via any of the links on this page, the link is down in the description below. Click on it. It'll take you to this page that we're going to be going over here in a second. And you can click on the big buttons, the big call to action buttons. That are these big red buttons. And it's going to jump you on over to the sales page where you can pick up your copy. So let's go ahead and peruse on down. Let's kind of do a little overview real fast. So what Grand Champion is an indirect selling method, which is the new era of marketing. And this method was proven, 100% proven by Dan himself, and he's doing this on a daily basis. This method has been perfected over the last 9 months to ensure the best success rates for anyone. So if anyone's been following Dan on YouTube or Facebook, he's been posting results he's gotten from this method. And if you take a look at Dan's YouTube channel, his first link goes to the same funnel he's going to teach you how to create in this training. So, okay, here we are, the bonuses. That's what we've been waiting for, the bonuses. Before we get a little too far into this, you're going to see John Armstrong's name on this. What this is a done-for-you campaign. It's part of the Ministry of Freedom training program that I'm in, and so we are given these bonus pages to use, and the bonuses are given to us for us to be able to give to you when you buy through the links on this page. And again, the link is down below in the description underneath the video. So bonus number 1 is access to Equinox Pro. So that is a great bonus. Bonus number 2 is how to build your list while profiting. And so that's, part of this training is building a list and being able to market to that list and earn commission as you're doing it. Bonus number 3 is writing effective copy. And so as part of this training, it is teaching you how to create a sales funnel and some opt-in pages and basically some funnel pages that you're going to want to create, and you're going to want to know how to write some copy. And the copy is important because that's what gets the customers or your potential clients to click, and that's what you want, is the click. Bonus number 4 is an email course. And so like I said, this is kind of a training, email marketing training, and so you're going to get a lot of these extra bonuses that kind of tie into this training to help kind of beef up the training, if you know what I mean, and give you some of that additional content that you're going to need to really make this an overall complete package. And then bonus number 5 are the special bonuses that the vendor has for you, When we jump over to the sales page, we'll take a look and see what those things are. So those are the bonuses. Those are what you've been hunting for. And then let's go ahead and take a look at the sales page that you will go to. This is the sales page. When you click on any of those big red buttons on my bonus page, it's going to jump you over to this page. So let's, you know, it's a sales page. It's same stuff on every sales page. The message is a little different, but for the primarily, they're all built rather similarly. You know, take your time, look through it, see what it is. You pick out the pieces that you think are going to help you maybe convince you to buy this program. And so right now, this is $12.95, so the front end offer is really low, and we'll go over the sales funnel here in a second. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to get down here to the bonuses that they're going to offer. So they got bonus number 1 is an exclusive look into a 7-figure marketer's business. Bonus number 2 is an advantage in business and in life, an unfair advantage in business and in life. Bonus number 3 is live proof that the champion is in the battlefield. Bonus number 4 is a $50 discount on the first upsell if you act now. Bonus number 5 is a 2-hour live call with the champions if you buy now. Get the message? Buy now. Of course, this product launches in the morning, so I'm going to post this video tonight on the 9th. The product actually launches on October 10th, so that's when you can pick up your copy. Let's see. Bonus number 6 is direct support from the champions via personal message. So there you go. Those are the vendors' bonuses that they are giving to you. Let's go ahead and jump on over to and that's, you know, like I said in some previous videos, a lot of times what happens is the front end offer will have a downsell, and to be able to take advantage of the downsell on the front end offer, you have to act like you're going to close out of the window. And then what's going to happen is you're going to get this pop-up that's going to give you a discount if you pick it up. So we're going to go past that, and we're going to check out the product itself. This is the dashboard of Grand Champion. So as you can see, this is quite an intensive training on this method, and this is Philip. He has the first section of this, which is primarily the the mindset training, and then Dan takes over and gives you the rest of the training. And so I was watching a video earlier, and Philip, it was put out by Philip, and he said that if you purchase this within the first 24 hours, you're going to get upsell number 1 thrown in for free. So that might be that bonus that we kind of covered on the sales page. That one of those bonuses that you get is you're going to get that upsell for free if you jump in and you buy on the first day. So like I said, you've got all these different trainings. You got how to make $40,000 free training. You got mindset. You're going to go through these to get you in the right frame of mind to be able to do this business. And then you have the introduction video, which kind of tells you what the Grand Champion program is about. You're going to have your weapons. You have the value ladder, the product selection process, and then AWeber setup. You don't necessarily have to have AWeber, but that's what they cover in this training is AWeber. And so to make it simple, then you set yourself up with an AWeber account. Otherwise, you know, something like Builderall. Builderall is a great tool because it provides so much stuff. And if you check out my channel, I'm going to have some videos coming up on Builderall and all the awesome things that it can do. So make sure you subscribe, and so whenever I post and ring that notification bell, and so whenever I post content about how to use Builderall to do all the different things that you need to do with affiliate marketing and other stuff, because it's not just for affiliate marketing, it's a flat out all-around business tool. And so if you ring that notification bell, you'll get notified when I post that content. So this is the next video is create your dream customer. He goes through and kind of teaches you how to create an avatar, and what an avatar is the perfect customer, or your target, not really the perfect customer, but your target customer, and some of the things that makes that target customer unique. Some of those different little minute things that you might want to target in your message. So let's see, and this is the champion maneuver, and this is the basic training for the process. You have an overview, you have the champion maneuver overview. He teaches you how to create an opt-in page, a day 1 process, the day 2 process, the day 3 process, the day 4 process, and integrating your domain. And this is all on ClickFunnels. And of course, like the training covers how to do it in ClickFunnels. But like I said, with Builderall, you get the autoresponder stuff, you get the email marketing stuff, you get the funnel builder, you get the website builder, you get all kinds of great stuff with Builderall. And so like I said, click on the subscribe button and you're going to get access to all those videos that I'm going to be creating around that platform, because that is an awesome tool and it's a great value, because you can get that for much less than it costs to get just basically one of the other tools that you use. So then they go over some of the free or the email marketing process, the paid traffic. He gives you a hidden traffic source, his go-to guy for what he uses for paid traffic. He goes over YouTube, an intro into this, setting up your channel, doing some keyword research, and boosting your rankings. And then there's the alternative free traffic, which is Facebook. And then the conclusion. You have upgrades, which you can, of course, those are kind of like the upsells. So if you don't pick them up that first time that you go through the sales process, you have access to these things after the fact. So once you get in here and you decide, oh man, I wish I would have grabbed upsell number whatever, you can click on it and you can pick it up after you've gotten into this program. And then you got the 15-second leads, which is kind of a free bonus training. And then there's also some additional training that's been thrown in here, like Coronavirus Cash Flow by Johnny Rose, the Newbie Roadmap by John Newman, a YouTube course by Leon Gilmore. You got Traffic Goldmine, Video Profit Site. So there's a lot of secret bonuses, unadvertised bonuses that you're going to get when you pick this product up. And you can pick that product up via any of the links on this bonus page. Like I said, the link to this bonus page is in the description below. Click on any of these big buttons. Once you get there, it's going to take you to that sales page where you can pick up your copy. So let's get on down to the sales funnel real fast. So like I said, the front end is only $12.95. It doesn't say that there is a downsell, but when you click out of there, when you go to close that page, it pops up with a 30% off. So obviously there is a downsell. It's just not talked about on the page that they provided for us. So if I were you and I was going to pick this up, I would make sure I take it on the downsell and get it down for that cheaper price. Upsell number 1, like I said, it's a Champion's Arsenal. It's $37. It's a downsell of $27. You're going to get a 30-day campaign proven by Dan himself to generate consistent sales over and over again. And like I said previously, according to a video that Philip put out, if you grab this on the first day, within the first 24 hours, you're going to get this for free thrown in. And it's probably has something to do with that one of those bonuses that's included in the front end. So bonus or upsell number 2 is Champion's Secret. It's $67. There is no downsell on that one. That is Dan's personal solo ad funnel to make money online in the money online niche that he personally uses to get instant sales and hit leaderboards. This funnel has generated Dan thousands of dollars, and it's been perfected over the last 6 months. Has guaranteed to get Dan sales each and every time he uses it. This is secret, powerful, that once you wield it, there will be no refunds. And I think I think that kind of is saying that, once you use these secrets, all those sales that you'll generate, they won't be requesting a refund, so you'll get to keep those commissions. Because a lot of times you'll sell a product, people don't like that product, they request a refund, and you lose your commission. That's affiliate marketing. Nothing you can do about it. So upsell number 3, Ultimate Champion, $47. Downsell at $37. You get the exact campaign that Dan uses to generate high ticket sales, ranging from up to $856 a day up to $1,712 a day. This campaign will ensure that all leads that enter the funnel will be maximized and your customers have the potential to 10x the income. Upsell number 4 is Meet the Champion. It's $197. There is a downsell of $97. You will be able to have one-on-one coaching session with the champion himself, pick his brain, unlock the secrets to becoming an internet marketing champion. He does coaching calls before and manage to help you land your first. He will help you manage to land your first high-ticket sale. That is the power of a champion. Upsell number 5, Champions Arena, $147. The downsell is $97. You will dominate the battlefield as you receive commissions from all of Dan and Philip's past products. You're going to get license rights to Superstar Cash Rain, Kingdom Builder, Dark Knight Commission, High Ticket Hero, Forsaken Traffic, and Grand Champion. Customers can choose any of these products to use with Grand Champion method and cash in twice the amount of money. So there you go. That is Champion. That is Grand Champion for you. So you're going to want to pick that up. It's only $12.95 plus that 30% off. You're going to get it for under $10. So that's a pretty good deal. Let's see. The bonuses once again. Bonus number 1 is access to Equinox Pro. Bonus number 2 is how to build your list while profiting. Bonus number 3 is effective copywriting. Bonus number 4 is hack email course. And then bonus number 5 are all those vendor bonuses we covered on the sales page. So there you go. That is Grand Champion in a nutshell, as the common phrase goes. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Go ahead and click like, leave a comment below, ask me a question. I will do my best to provide you with an answer, and hopefully it's the right answer. You never know, but I will do my best. Let's see, what else? DarrellHammond.com. That's my that's the URL I call home. And so yeah, it's been a great day. Enjoyed spending this time with you, and I appreciate you stopping by and taking a gander at this review video. So without further ado, we'll part our ways. Have a great evening, day, morning, whatever time it is when you happen to be watching this. You enjoy the rest of whatever is left of it. Anyways, thanks again. My name's Darrell Hammond. See ya.